Creating a mind map. You can use this website to help you design mind maps. Coggle.it. Go to coggle.it. If you have a Google account, Microsoft account, Apple account, you can sign in. This is in stage 1 to 3 of your project. This is the research stage. From LMS, download stage 1 to 3 activity 1.2.1 to 1.2.3. This will bring you to this document. Enable editing. Add your name, add your class. The design brief tells us exactly what the project is. Activity 1.2.3 is to create a mind map detailing the requirements of the autonomous vehicle. Return to Coggle and create diagram. The center of your mind map should always be the name of your project. This project is a line follower vehicle or an autonomous vehicle. In the PowerPoint provided to you, there is an example of a mind map. You need to start adding branches and sub-branches to the mind map. Click on one of these pluses to give you your first branch. For example, let's use function. If you select the name, you can move this around. Before function, you will see a plus sign. Select this to give you sub-branches. So what must our vehicle do? It must follow black line. Again, use the plus sign beside the function word to give you another. So it must have a steering mechanism. That's more a feature, but it must move forwards, backwards, left and right. You can add more sub-functions. If you want to delete this, place your cursor on the line, right click and delete connection. You will also need to delete this box. Add another. This can be features. Again, you can move that. Start adding features using the plus sign. Must have a steering mechanism. Other features. It must have seats. It must carry passengers, which could be a function. You can also start adding sub-functions. So our steering mechanism is a rolling ball or a caster ball. Again, you can move these And you may also think about a rack and pinion. And you can continue to add branches and sub-branches until your mind map is complete. When you're happy with your mind map, use your snipping tool, snip your mind map, open your Word document and paste it in. You can adjust the size to fit the square. That is activity 1.2.3 in stages 1 to 3 of your project.